Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. And I'm happy to tell you this is the last video of the 3-part series to Hyatt Ziva Cancun Resort. This part 3 will show you what you will expect to see at Ziva. You will see the pools, the beach, and just general resort area. This is the main pool area. They have shows at nighttime. The main pool area is very spacious with many chairs, umbrellas, benches. There's a main pool bar. This is the second pool area on the club side of the resort. This is the club only building lobby. If you are a club room, you will get a special key to enter this building. This is the main coffee shop. You would come here, get your iced coffee, hot coffee, get your lattes. They make it pretty quick. It opens up at 6 a.m. I really like to walk around in Ziva because the main walk areas is in a shaded section, but the way how it's designed that there's a lot of wind passing through these corridors, and it's just very relaxing to walk through the resort.
One chance, you will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when
The kids club is really disappointing. I don't like the way how it's secluded and away from the main pool area. The inside section does not have anything entertaining for kids. It's just a bunch of tables and chairs. I don't think Ziva was really trying to accommodate for kids. It was just like they just had this kids club just to say that they have one. This is the main buffet. You can sit outdoors. You see how everything outdoors is covered in a shade, so you're not so hot.
Look at the dolphins they got here.
You could pay extra to go swimming with the dolphins.
gotta understand that we get one chance, you will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, look back at this summer night.
This is Habaneros, the beach restaurant. They have an event where you can eat outside right next to water on Wednesdays and Sundays, but it's $75 a person.
Happened to us, 'cause wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night.
Just look how green this water is.
They also offer a private wedding reception party. You can see the setup. They're getting ready for the evening dinner. I could imagine that's very nice.
How to make a splash? Make a splash, Esther. Oh, like this.
This is the view from my room on the 4th floor of the club building.
As you can see, that one hurt. You know what? Enough talking. We just swim.
So that's it for the 3 video series on Hyatt Ziva. This is finally the end of the series. I highly recommend this resort for people to try. Ziva really does have the best food out of all the resorts in Cancun that I've been to. The last video I did on a resort, I did not even bother to show any foods because it was just not good. Yes, Ziva is quite expensive, so I would recommend to stay here at most 3 to 4 nights and no more than that. Another thing I want to comment on is that Cancun resorts have really went up in price. It's no longer a great value compared to 5 to 10 years ago. If you manage to get a good deal, then it can be a fair value. But overall, I really do think Cancun is considered a luxury travel destination these days, and it's not considered cheap. So if you're going to spend the money and time to go to Cancun, you might as well go to a really good one. If you want to see the oceanfront view tour and buffet foods, go check out part 1. I will leave a link at the end of the video for part 1. If you want to see the restaurants of Ziva, that will be part 2. I will leave that link in the descriptions. Any questions or comments, is welcomed. Or just drop by and say hi. That would be pretty cool as well. That's my opinion on the Hyatt Ziva. As always, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you decide to subscribe to my channel, I welcome you and many thanks for that. See you guys in the next episode. As always, have a nice day.